Hello, viajeros, and welcome back to TravelSolo Channel. I would like to say thank you so much for the love and the support that you have given to my channel. I already reached more than 9,000 subscribers as of today. And because we are already in our road to 10,000 subscribers, I am giving prizes to all our supporters, to all our viewers in my channel. So starting next week, I will be premiering some videos, and each video will have some questions for you to answer, and that will entitle you to win some cash prizes. So that will be 200 pesos each correct answer. And a surprise for my members, to my Hoteliers Life members and Travel Solo members, you are entitled to win 50% more of the prize. So that means 400 Gcash or load. So all you have to do is just to answer the question and watch the video during the premiere. You must be present, right? You must be present during the premiere and answer the questions correctly. Write down your answers in the comment section along with the hashtag road to 10K. All right? Don't forget hashtag road to 10K. And all the winners will be announced in my live stream at the Hoteliers Live channel. So watch out for that on my premiere next week. So hopefully I'll see you in my next premiere. And thank you so much for the love and support in my channel. To all my Viajero members, thank you so much for being part of the Viajeros family. And of course, to Hoteliers Live for your love and support, for the generosity and kindness you have given to my channel. So I'll see you in my upcoming premieres. Until I reach 10,000 subscribers, I will be doing some contest in my premiere videos. Thank you so much. Bye.